Hi, everybody. We're here to learn a new letter and sound. The sound and letter that we're going to learn today is the letter, yes, the letter Y. Y says yeah, yeah. Yeah, very good. And let's look at our sound poster here a minute to look at the letter Y. Here's the uppercase Y and here's the lowercase y. And they're a little bit different. The uppercase Y has a V on top with a vertical line down, and the lowercase y is a diver letter with a diagonal line. So they're made a little bit differently. And when we make the sound, our mouth looks like this. Yeah, yeah. Yep. And let's see if our voice is on. Yeah, yeah. Yep, we have to turn our voice on when we're making that sound. Why don't you go ahead and try the Y sound? Yeah, yeah. Very good. And this, do you know what this is? Yes, it starts with a Y sound. Yeah, yarn. Yes. Well, good job with the Y sound. So let's see if you can figure out what word I am trying to get you to guess that begins with a Y sound. Are you ready? Okay. I'm thinking of a color of a banana. Yellow. Yes, yellow. Okay. I'm thinking of the opposite of no. Yes. Yeah, yes. We could also build that word. Yes. Yep. Yes. I'm thinking of something you might say when something tastes good. Yum. Yeah, yum. I'm thinking of another word for shout. Yell. Yell. Yeah, very good with the letter Y. So let's work on how to make a Y the best that we can. So I draw my top and my bottom lines and then my middle line. And remember, the uppercase Y has that V in the vertical line, but the lowercase y, the one that we're going to practice making, has a short diagonal and a long diagonal. And it is a diver letter, so it's going to dive down below this line. Okay, watch Mrs. O first. We're going to start here on the middle line, do a diagonal line down, hop back, and a long diagonal down. Diving down into the water there. Okay, watch again. Diagonal line down, hop back, and a long diagonal. That's a Y. One more time. Diagonal line down, hop back, and a long diagonal. All right, it's going to take a little bit of practice, but I know you can do it. Practice at home making some Ys. You can use any tools that you have at home. You can use a dry eraser board and marker like Mrs. O. You can use some markers and paper. You could go outside if it's nice and practice on the sidewalk chalk. Families at home could also call out some of the other lowercase letters that we've learned for you to practice too. So go ahead, take some time, practice the Ys, and then do the paper and send that into your teacher, okay? All right, I'm going to yell bye. Bye-bye.